And I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
And our guest today is Charlie. You wanted to come and do popsicles with us, right? Okay, so you gotta look that way so that people can see who you are, okay?
We're gonna make some Ruvi popsicles. And all it is our Ruvi shake that we add to water. And then you wanna lift all of these off for us so we can pour it in.
Oh,
I'm doing the green one. I love that they're getting fruits and vegetables.
How about I do that? Those two.
You could shake
well,
it.
We're gonna be, yeah, you can shake, 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 okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'll start shaking and you can shake after Kathy's got her shake, okay? You wanna shake it? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Did we put, oh yeah, the Ruvi balls are in there.
All right, very good. That's super.
I'm gonna shake mine.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the color. What color is this?
Red.
Red. What color is this?
Green.
Very good.
Okay, we'll shake that one up.
All right. So today we're just going to put it in a popsicle tray so that you can be having fruit and vegetables on a instead of all that sugar and dye. And this is all natural and good for you.
So
So
we're gonna need you to put these on top as soon as they're full.
okay. Oh yes, she'll do it.
There we go.
So that's great. Pop it in the freezer and within about 20 to 30 minutes, you've got a nice, refreshing, a really nice summer treat.
Yep.
So,
This is how we do it. And if you could give it a try too, let us know if you like it. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and ring your notification bell so that you could get notified every time we post a new video. I hope you enjoyed it, and
can you say bye-bye? Till next time, remember, you can do this too.